Understanding rope lighting. A bright idea in English language learning. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a unique term that's both practical and fun: rope lighting. So, grab a seat and let's illuminate this topic together. Rope lighting refers to long tubes of lights that are flexible and can be bent into many shapes. Unlike traditional light bulbs, rope lights are encased in a transparent, plastic tube which protects the lights and provides a unique, soft glow. They are popular for decorative purposes, both indoors and outdoors, especially during festive seasons. The concept of rope lighting began in the 1960s, but it became more popular in the 1970s. Initially, they were used in decorative displays, but now, they serve a variety of purposes. From lighting up walkways for safety to adding a cozy ambiance in living rooms, rope lights have become a versatile lighting option. There are mainly two types of rope lights: LED and incandescent. LED rope lights are more energy efficient and have a longer lifespan, while incandescent rope lights are known for their warm, classic glow. Each type has its unique advantages depending on the intended use. Installing rope lighting is quite straightforward. First, measure the area where you want to place the lights. Next, unroll the rope light and ensure it fits the measured space. Then, use clips or ties to secure the lights in place. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions and safety guidelines during installation. I hope this video sheds light on what rope lighting is all about. It's a wonderful example of how everyday objects can enrich our English vocabulary and understanding. Stay tuned for more interesting topics, and keep shining bright in your English language journey.